Welcome to the Autoverse, your ultimate destination for in-depth automotive reviews and the latest updates on the most exciting vehicles. If you're passionate about cars and love staying informed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our new content. Today we're taking a deep dive into the new 2025 Citroën SM, a revival of a legendary model that brings back the charm of its predecessor with modern sophistication and cutting-edge technology. Let's explore what makes this car stand out and how Citroën has managed to blend retro appeal with today's automotive advancements. The 2025 Citroën SM captures the essence of its original 1970s Grand Tourer design while embracing a futuristic flair. The exterior maintains the classic low-slung profile, long hood, and sleek lines that made the SMA design icon. The front fascia features a modern interpretation of the signature glass-covered headlights, now equipped with adaptive LED technology that enhances visibility and adds a high-tech aesthetic. The car's aerodynamic shape is complemented by smooth body lines, while subtle chrome accents and a refined rear end with a full-width light bar give the new SMA perfect balance between elegance and modernity. Powering the 2025 Citroën SM is a choice of high-performance drivetrains that cater to different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 hybrid setup, producing a combined 300 horsepower, offering both power and efficiency. For those seeking even more excitement, Citroën has introduced an all-electric version boasting 400 horsepower and instant torque, delivering a thrilling and smooth driving experience. The electric SM also offers a range of up to 350 miles on a single charge, making it a viable option for long-distance cruising. Step inside, and the interior of the 2025 SM is a blend of luxury and technology designed to provide a refined driving experience. The cabin is crafted with premium materials including leather, wood, and brushed aluminum, with attention to detail that pays homage to the original SM's opulent interior. The advanced infotainment system is housed in a sleek 12-inch touchscreen, featuring wireless connectivity, navigation, and enhanced voice controls. A digital driver's display provides real-time performance data, while the innovative suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, true to Citroën's focus on comfort. Safety is a priority for Citroën, and the SM comes equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, making every drive both safe and enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world, don't forget to subscribe to the Autoverse and turn on notifications to catch all our future videos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time with more exciting content.